Use a flathead screwdriver to pry off the panel. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew and remove the screws. Close the glove box. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 2 Phillips head screws. Open the glove box. Pry off the glove box assembly. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter and clean out the excess debris in the housing. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the housing cover. Reinstall the glove box assembly. Close the glove box. Reinstall the bottom screws. Open the glove box. Reinstall the screws. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box. Reinstall the side panel.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.